future is coming faster than you think. These 5 AI tools are already replacing human jobs, and it's only 2025. Number 1, ChatGPT 5. It writes emails, scripts, and even entire business plans. What used to take hours now takes seconds. Number 2, Midjourney. AI-generated art that beats real designers. Thousands of freelancers are already losing work to it. Number 3, Synthesia. It creates human-like videos with avatars and voice. No camera, no mic, no problem. Number 4, AutoGPT, an AI agent that can literally run a business for you. It plans, researches, and executes tasks all by itself. Number 5, Runway ML, video editing, VFX, and motion graphics, powered completely by AI. AI isn't coming for your job. It's already here. The question is, are you ready to adapt? Subscribe to FlowMind for more tools that shape the future.